In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add VPN on Brave browser. Let's make sure your browsing is secure and private by setting up a VPN. First, launch Brave browser on your device. This is the browser we'll be working with. Make sure it's up to date for the best experience. Updates include security patches and new features, so it's important to keep it current. Once Brave is ready, head over to the Chrome Web Store. You can find this by searching in your browser's address bar. The Chrome Web Store is where you will find a variety of extensions to enhance your browser's functionality. Brave is built on Chromium, which is why it can access the Chrome Web Store. Now, in the search bar of the Chrome Web Store, look for a reputable VPN provider. Some examples are Proton VPN, NordVPN, ExpressVPN, and Windscribe. Choosing a reputable provider is crucial because it ensures your data will be handled securely. Look at reviews and ratings to help you decide. After selecting a VPN, click on the extensions page. You'll see an option to add to Brave. Click this button to start the installation process. This step is essential because it integrates the VPN with your browser, allowing you to activate it easily. Next, a confirmation prompt will appear asking if you want to add the extension. Go ahead and click Add Extension to confirm your choice. This action will begin the download and installation. It's a simple yet important step to ensure the extension is properly added. Once the extension is added, look to the top right corner of your Brave browser. You'll see an icon that looks like a puzzle piece. This is the extensions icon. Click it to see a list of all installed extensions. From there, find your newly installed VPN extension in the list. Click on it to open its interface. Most VPNs will require you to log in or connect. If you already have an account, enter your details. If not, you may need to sign up for a new account. This is where the magic happens, as connecting to the VPN encrypts your data, keeping your online activities private. Once you're logged in or connected, your VPN is active. You should see a change in the VPN icon or a notification. This indicates your connection is secure. You can browse the internet knowing your data is protected. Remember, using a VPN can improve your online security and privacy. It also allows you to access content that might be restricted based on your location. It's a powerful tool for maintaining privacy in the digital age. If you ever want to disconnect or change servers, just click on the VPN icon again. The interface usually offers options for disconnecting or switching locations. That flexibility is one of the reasons people love using VPNs. To wrap up, adding a VPN to Brave browser is a straightforward process that greatly enhances your online security. By following these steps, you ensure your browsing sessions are private and secure. Thank you for joining me today. Now enjoy safe and private browsing with your new VPN.